ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It serves as a character encoding standard for modern computers. The ASCII function returns the ASCII code value of the leftmost character of a character expression. The expression can be of char or varchar data type. This is the ASCII code table. Each expression has a numerical equivalent. The char function is the opposite of the ASCII function. Returns a single byte character with the specified integer code. Let's take an example in SQL Server to better understand how ASCII and char functions work. Let's look at the equivalent of the T character in the ASCII table. It corresponds to the number 84. You can check the values from the ASCII table. Instead of a character, a string expression can be sent to the ASCII function. In this case, the ASCII equivalent of the leftmost character is returned by the function. So, we will see the value 84 again. In this case, we saw the ASCII equivalent of the U character. The char function is the opposite of the ASCII function. Converts numeric value in ASCII table to character. If we send the value 117 to the char function, it will return the character U. Let's look again at the ASCII equivalent of the U character. Now let's take a look at the other letters. The ASCII equivalent of the lowercase a is 97. If we send 97 to the char function, it will return the lowercase a character. The ASCII equivalent of the capital A is 65. If we send 65 to the char function, it will return the capital A character. Let's take a look at the hyphen character. We understood how the char and ASCII function work. So where can we use these functions? Let's do an example. I will print several countries using the select command. My aim is to replace all countries from hyphen character. At the same time, I want all countries to be written one under the other. I can do this in several ways. Let's try to do this using ASCII and char functions. First, I need the ASCII equivalent of the enter character. I can find it using ASCII function. The value 13 represents the enter character. I can replace characters using the replace function. You can browse the playlist to learn how the replace function works. I will replace the hyphen character with enter. I can reach the enter value by sending the value I found to the char function. In fact, the data is written one under the other. But we can't see that. I have to select the result to text option to see it. Now we can see that the data is written one under the other. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.